Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add family members on Facebook. Maybe you want to add your family members in your Facebook so that your account will be connected. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add family members on your profile page. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is go and open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. Now what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon for you to be directed into this profile page. And once you are in here, you will see this see about your info. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your about. And you can scroll down and you will see in here your relationship and then the family members. In here, add family members. Tap on it. And then in here, simply enter a name. And then simply tap on that person and then choose relationship. After that, tap on the save button. And as you can see, just added your family member on your Facebook. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add family member on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your family members, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.